It's Monday, June 10th. My name is Rich, and this is your 5-Minute Fix. Welcome to the 5-Minute Fix, where we take stories about pretty much anything from pretty much anywhere and try to give it to you in 5 minutes or less today. Okay, we got a quick and dirty one today, guys. As I'm recording this, the older game is on. I'm trying to watch, record at the same time. We're gonna do a quick game 2. Let's get it on. Young Thug's lawyer taken into custody, held in contempt. Attorney Brian Steele was held in contempt of court after refusing to provide a source for a private conversation involving the judge, state, and a witness. Things got heated during the YSL Rico trial after an attorney for rapper Young Thug was taken into custody in court on Monday. Attorney Brian Steele was held in contempt of court by Judge Earl Glanville after refusing to disclose his source regarding information shared in an ex parte meeting between the judge, the state, and key witness Kenneth Copeland. Judge Glanville threatened Steele with contempt several times, but he continuously refused. Steele insinuated that the court was committing coercion, as no representation for his client was invited to the meeting. Quote, "I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If you don't tell me who it is, I'm going to put you in contempt," Glanville said, to which Steele responded, "I don't need 5 minutes, brother." The ball sack on this attorney, goodness gracious. Now, another thing too, this is crazy just because you could, I guess, claim a mistrial. Look, I am no attorney at law, but I think I've watched enough television programs that I can tell you that this is not a good situation for the prosecutor or the judge. After the heated exchange, the court was temporarily recessed. When it was brought back into session, Glanville again asked Steele to tell him how he found out about the private conversation. Steele refused a final time before mentioning a mistrial, which was later denied. He was taken into custody shortly after. All right, let's take a look at how this went down.
You all are really getting yourselves cross purposes at this point in time. Sir, I'm telling you, you are at this point in time. You made some things out of nothing. I think that you're on very precarious ground.
I mean, something out of nothing. If there was a meeting and his attorney should have been there, I think that's grounds for what he's talking about.
At this point in time. So I'm telling you at this point in time, he's in custody. We're going to go ahead and start. You can represent Mr. Williams. That's okay. That's fine. I'll take up the other stuff as needed, but I'm not going to take it up right now. Say again? Respectfully, I will not. I cannot. Sir, you have to. Well, you're gonna have to do the best you can at this point in time, because you don't get to extort the court. That's what you're attempting to do at this point in time.
Extortion in a RICO trial. What do you say?
Sir, yes, you are. What you're trying to do is, I'm not going forward if I don't get this. You know, it doesn't work that way, Mr. Adams. And I'm telling you at this point in time, I would just kind of govern yourself accordingly, sir. I'm telling you.
Stenographer's going ham down here.
As the court, under these particular circumstances, everything will come out as it should. I don't think, sir, I don't have enough information at this point in time to address it. I don't. But I'm telling you at this point in time, there is nothing that was given, said, whatever, this morning.
How is he supposed to know? How is he supposed to know that nothing was said, nothing was given? You know, he should have been privy to that information. And again, like I said, I'm no attorney at law. Maybe I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But it seems to me that there's some funny business going on in this courtroom during this trial.
But sir, I don't even know. Your co-counsel won't even tell me who said whatever. Okay. And the challenge I'm having in this particular circumstance is that is such a violation of the sacrosanctness of the court's chambers and an ex parte conversation. You're just glossing over that. You're glossing over that in its entirety. No.
Hell yeah.
Sir. That's not what happened. That's not what happened. That's not what happened.
I have got to say, this seems a little bit fishy. It'll be very interesting to see what comes from this, if anything, in regards to conversation that was had without the attorneys of Young Thug. But I want to know if you guys saw this. Let me know what you think. Do you think the judge and the prosecutor are holding back? You think they got secrets with the witness? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. My name is Rich, and this has been your 5-Minute Fix.